Hachi boy, I gotta tell you, I think you're gaining some weight. Yeah, I think you've been eating too many treats. We're gonna have to put you on a diet, Hachi. Yeah, you're gonna have to go on a diet. I know you love your treats, but you're getting kind of big, my guy. You're getting kind of chunky. I think you're becoming overweight. No, it's not the floof. It's actually you. No, you got some plumpiness to you. Okay, then we're gonna have to go exercise every day, okay? You're either gonna go on a diet or exercise every day. Which one is it? Buddy, we gotta keep you healthy.